Grandma,
What, baby?
I need a cough drop. My throat hurt.
What's wrong with you, baby?
I need a cough drop, Grandma. I need a cough drop. Where is it at?
You need a cough drop, baby. It ain't in that pocket, baby.
Ew. You going? Ew. No. I said a cough drop, Grandma.
That ain't it, baby.
What the? I
Hold
said a
on,
cough drop.
Let me look in my packets, baby. Ooh,
I said a cough drop, Grandma.
It is a cough.
Ew. Where you get that from?
In my pocket, baby.
I don't want that.
Girl, you just don't know. When you have it there for a little bit of time, it's still good.
Ew. Ew. You eat it. I don't want it. Ew. Ew. You nasty, Grandma.
Say what?
You got everything in your thing. You got money. You got credit cards. You got keys.
Ooh, look, I can see and rewrap it for you if you want to. Look at that.
No.
It's still good.
No. I'll cough. Bye.